This is a video tour for Suite 1 at the office building located at 573 West, 1830 North. Just a couple of finishing touches we still need to do on this unit, but this is a really nice space. It has the entrance that I just came through, and then there's an entrance on the other side of the building as well, which you can walk into. This could be a lobby waiting area, it could be an office, reception area, whatever you may need there. There's a second office here, and this one has a little extra space here on the side, and then it's got vaulted ceilings, some really high quality LVP flooring. That's the door that goes to the parking lot side of the building. That could be an exit or an entrance. And it could be a conference room or a break room area or a fourth office. Little storage closet there. And then again, this is really sort of the third office here. So I would kind of call it a 3-office plus conference room space, but certainly enough for 4 workstations without any problem. Little closet over there as well. Very neutral colors, lots of nice natural light. We still actually have not hung the light fixtures yet. We're getting quite a lot of nice natural light here. So a nice office suite that I think would be great for a small business or a growing business.